customer bought this to Kubota used, and the 3-point hitch stopped working randomly yesterday. So we came and took a look at it, and we went for the simplest solution first. Looked at the pump, made sure everything was there, everything was connected. It ended up being that one of these connectors, the rods that go up to the handle inside the tractor, was completely disconnected, not allowing it to actuate and making it so it didn't go up and down. Pretty simple fix. They thought the worst, checked hydraulics, checked everything else, completely forgot to check the brackets that held it on. So this machine is now back up and running and ready to dig the soil up and get the track ready for the next event. Put a little bit of moisture down and then rip her deep.